Hello everyone, I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Today's video, we're talking about is peeing after sex is important, or why should you pee after sex? Bakit nga kailangang umihi pagkatapos maglabing-labing? Pee is the power washer for the urethra, a tube where pee comes out of your body. If you pee after sex, germs in your urethra get the flush before they can cause a urinary tract infection. When you urinate, anything that was trying to get to the bladder gets pushed out with the urine. If you tend to get UTI after sex, this happens to a lot of women. What is the reason? Friction from sexual activity can spread bacteria. These germs can spread from oral, vaginal, or anal sex. Many kinds of bacteria are harmless on the skin or in the anus, but during sex, these germs can spread to your urinary tract and cause UTI. Women are more prone to UTIs than men because of the anatomy of the men and women. They are different. In females, the urethra, the tube where urine comes out, is shorter and closer to the anus than in men. That makes it easier for germs to reach your urethra and travel into your bladders. Ang babae ay madaling makatch ng UTI or urinary tract infection kaysa lalaki kasi ang babae maiksi lang ang urethra nila, yung tube papunta sa bladder. Pero ang lalaki ay mahaba. Mas prone na magka-infection ng UTI ang babae kaysa lalaki. Kailan ka nga ba iihi? Ilang minuto ka iihi pagkatapos nyong maglabing-labing? Try to urinate within 30 minutes after sex. If you wait much longer, bacteria has a better chance of making it into your bladder. Should men pee after sex? There's no harm in males peeing after sex, but there's not as much benefit. Ang lalaki ay mahaba ang urethra nila. They don't usually get post-sex UTI. Common causes of UTIs in men include kidney stones and enlarged prostate. So, nagkaka-UTI lang sila pag may stone sila or enlarged ang prostate nila. Pag-ihiba after sex ay nag-prevent ng pregnancy. If you are trying to prevent pregnancy, peeing can't help you. Peeing after sex won't hurt your chances if you are trying to conceive either. Pregnancy requires sperm to travel up the vagina to the fallopian tube. The vagina is separate from the urethra. Peeing won't remove any baby-making sperm from your vagina. Thus, peeing after sex prevents sexually transmitted infection. It doesn't. Peeing won't stop an STI. Katulad lang yan sa sinasabi na pag umihi ka daw pagkatapos maglabing-labing ay ma-prevent ang pregnancy. Hindi totoo yan. To reduce your risk of STIs, use latex condom. Some people notice a burning feeling when they urinate after sex. That feeling doesn't always mean you have a UTI. You may have irritation in your vagina. Vaginal irritation can feel like a UTI because it can cause burning and urgency with urinating. If the burning or urgency goes away after a day or two, it was probably irritation. But if the symptoms last more than 2 days after you had sex, contact your doctor. But if you are peeing after sex and still getting UTI, don't ignore them. Talk to your healthcare or doctor or OB/GYN provider about prevention and treatment options so you can stay healthy. So, huwag niyong baliwalain kung anumang nararamdaman nyo. Kailangan niyong magpatingin ng doktor. Magiging aware tayo, lalo na sa mga kababaihan. Hanggang dito na lang tayo guys sa topic natin. Sana may nakuha kayong aral dito sa topic kong ito today. At kung mayroon kayong gustong itanong about this topic, mag-comment lang kayo below. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung meron akong bagong upload na video. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers, non-subscribers, lalo na sa mga silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa suportang binigay nyo dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po kayo palagi. Bye and God bless. Thank you for watching.